June is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. I don't know who needs to hear this, but tol, you are threading well. It's okay not to be okay. We have different ways of coping and verbalizing our problems, maybe the least method that we use. And I'm sure what we verbalize is just the tip of the iceberg of our anxieties and frustrations. Kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo, pre, daanan mo lang. Huwag mong tambayan. Remember to stay focused on your true north and don't get fixated on obstacles and distractions. Life will always get the best of us. The way we survive or thrive in every sucker punch that life has to throw will define us. You are never alone in your struggles. Talk to a loved one. Hindi nakakabawas ng pagkalalaki ang pag-open up. If you are struggling chronically and or having thoughts of harming yourself or others, please seek professional help.